Buckle up, guys. Today we are stepping into the courtroom with Veronica Randall. The session opens with her identity being confirmed, and the judge asks about waiving the formal reading of indictment. Right away, the tension builds as we see the legal system laying out the procedural groundwork. You can sense the stakes rising, especially as the conversation touches on prior convictions that could impact her current charges. Here, the focus shifts to the sequence of her prior convictions. The judge meticulously reads each one, showing how past offenses escalate the severity of her current charges. Randall listens, absorbing the reality of her situation. This is a pivotal moment, as it's the first time the consequences of her past actions truly hit home in court, and the audience can feel the suspense mounting. Veronica enters her plea, confirming she understands the charges and the truth of her prior convictions. The judge carefully checks that her plea is voluntary and informed, reinforcing the seriousness of the courtroom setting. This segment emphasizes the weight of her decisions. Every word matters, and the legal ramifications are becoming crystal clear. Now the courtroom tension rises further as Randall faces additional charges in a separate case. The legal process repeats, but each step increases the gravity. The audience sees how procedural repetition can intensify pressure, and the commentary explains that enhancement statutes are turning what might seem minor into something carrying significant prison time. The drama is palpable. The judge highlights the legal gut punch. Even small new charges can have major consequences due to past felonies. Veronica reacts, trying to grasp the full meaning of this enhancement. This is the moment where suspense peaks in the courtroom. Viewers understand that the sentence is more severe than the surface-level charges suggest. The stakes couldn't be higher. Veronica confirms her guilt and truth of prior convictions for multiple counts. The judge goes over all documents and ensures she understands the implications, including giving up her right to appeal. This part is tense, highlighting how carefully the court must verify competency and inform consent. Every statement and signature matters, and the courtroom drama is intense. Evidence is formally admitted, and the judge finds her competent to proceed. The suspense builds as the courtroom awaits the outcome. This segment demonstrates procedural rigor. The legal system confirms all boxes are checked before moving forward. It's a quiet tension, but crucial, as it sets the stage for the sentencing decisions coming next. The judge announces a reset instead of immediate sentencing. This moment acts as a cliffhanger. The probation department will prepare an updated report, leaving Veronica and viewers in suspense. It's a subtle but powerful build-up, showing that even after pleas are entered, the final consequences are not yet decided. The judge explains the timeline for returning with updated information and sentencing. Veronica's attorney will collect relevant details. This segment creates anticipation. The courtroom drama isn't over, and viewers understand that procedural delays can heighten suspense. Every piece of information now can affect the final outcome. Alright guys, let's rewind slightly and focus on how the court establishes authority and sets expectations. Veronica's initial interaction reveals her awareness of the legal stakes. The judge's measured tone and the procedural discussion subtly build tension. Even minor exchanges like confirming identity and waiving indictment reading signal to viewers that the courtroom is a high-stakes environment. This part emphasizes the impact of prior convictions. The audience sees how legal history escalates consequences. Randall's reactions, paired with the judge's explanations, highlight the real-world implications of past actions. The commentary here ensures viewers understand the seriousness without needing legal background. Every prior conviction transforms the drama. Veronica formally enters her plea. As a third-party observer, we notice the careful verification process by the court: voluntary, informed, competent. Commentary draws attention to procedural safeguards and their dramatic impact. It's not just legal formalities. Each step can drastically affect her life. Additional charges and plea confirmations intensify suspense. The commentary explains enhancement statutes in layman terms. Small offenses can lead to significant prison time. Viewers feel the tension grow as Randall realizes the compounded effect of her past and current actions. Veronica's comprehension of waiving her appeal rights is highlighted. Commentary emphasizes how courtroom procedures ensure fairness, but also maintain dramatic tension. Every verbal acknowledgement she gives increases stakes for the audience. Evidence admission and competency confirmation. Commentary explains how these procedural steps, while seemingly routine, heighten tension and confirm that nothing is left to chance. The law moves meticulously, and viewers sense that final judgment is looming. Reset announcement creates suspense. Commentary as a third-party observer stresses the cliffhanger effect. Viewers now wait with Veronica, anticipating how the updated report could affect sentencing. Timeline for next hearing explained. Commentary notes that procedural delays increase narrative tension. The audience sees the stakes clearly, building drama between plea entry and final sentencing. Buckle up, guys, the courtroom drama is intense. We've seen identity confirmations, indictment readings, and plea entries. The commentary emphasizes that each step, though procedural, carries life-changing consequences. The courtroom isn't just about rules, it's about how each word can shift fate, combine highlights, enhancements, and prior convictions. Veronica faces the reality of enhancement statutes. Commentary explains that prior convictions escalate punishment, making every minor current charge more serious. Audience tension peaks here. Viewers understand fully how the law compounds offenses over time. The judge resets the case instead of immediate sentencing, leaving Veronica in suspense. Commentary highlights the tension and anticipation for sentencing. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.